I see.
We got the 6-foot tall angel though. I don't know if I can, bud.
Can you help him? It's crazy deep snow. Let's see. Let's see if we can get a good aspect here of the snow. So that's ground level. You what? Okay.
I think we're out of luck on Snowman. Someone better than I has to make it.
Are you making a snow angel?
I'm dying! Okay. Our snowball is Tony. I won't do it. I won't do it. Boom. Oh,
Tagged him right in the face. It's awesome.
I did not.
You're okay, buddy. You can throw one at Dada.
He's been throwing it at me.
Oh. Throw one at Dada.
Oh!
Oh my goodness.
Can I throw another one at you?
No!
Okay. I need some better gloves. Oh, I see a sled.
Are you stuck?
I wish we had a sled.
You made a snowman.
Hey, buddy, let's go inside and warm up for a little bit.
No.
Okay.